Right, well there's just been a few little thunderstorms that hasn't even managed to clear the air, but I thought I'd have a fly with the drone just to see what it looks like up in the sky after the storms. Right, well that was canny, wasn't it? Just a little flight over the village. It is, when is it? June the 20-something? Yeah, just in the heat wave that we've got at the moment. We've had lots of storms just going across the valley, so I thought I'd fly my drone to see what it looked like. Not bad. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, share with a friend and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you later. So the 26th, might be the 26th. Yeah, I think it is.
This is Democracy Manifest.